Another day, another story. 10 life-saving motorcycle tips they don't want you to know. Welcome to our channel Throttle Devils, where we prioritize your safety on two wheels. In this video, we will reveal 10 life-saving motorcycle tips that the industry doesn't want you to know. Whether you're a new rider or an experienced one, these tips will help enhance your riding skills, minimize risks, and ensure a safe journey every time. Join us as we uncover the secrets to mastering the art of motorcycle riding. 5 keywords. Motorcycle safety. Riding techniques. Accident prevention. Motorcycle maintenance. Riding gear. Attention all motorcycle enthusiasts and safety-conscious riders. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are bringing you 10 crucial motorcycle tips that the industry has been keeping a secret. So buckle up, helmet on, and let's dive into the essential knowledge that could save your life. Tip 1. Proper riding gear. When it comes to motorcycle safety, proper riding gear is non-negotiable. Gear up with a DOT-approved helmet, sturdy riding jacket, pants, gloves, and boots. Dressing for success can be the difference between a minor accident and a life-threatening situation. Remember, always prioritize safety over style. Tip 2. Master defensive riding. Defensive riding is the key to survival on the open road. Anticipate hazards by constantly scanning the road ahead, using your mirrors, and maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles. By assuming that other drivers might not see you, you can react quickly and avoid potentially dangerous situations. Tip 3. Invest in quality motorcycle training. No matter your level of experience, investing in quality motorcycle training is invaluable. Attend safety courses, learn advanced riding techniques, and seek professional guidance. With the right training, you can confidently navigate any road or weather conditions, making your rides both enjoyable and secure. Tip 4. Perform regular motorcycle maintenance. To ensure your motorcycle operates at its peak performance, make sure to perform regular maintenance. Regularly check tire pressure, brakes, lights, fluid levels, and controls. By doing so, you'll increase your bike's reliability and reduce the chances of mechanical failures while on the road. Tip 5. Stay visible and communicate. Visibility is crucial to your safety. Wear bright or reflective clothing, especially at night. Additionally, always use your turn signals and hand signals to communicate your intentions to other road users. Making yourself visible and understood helps avoid potential accidents caused by misinterpretation. And there you have it. 10 life-saving motorcycle tips that can make all the difference on your rides. Remember to gear up, master defensive riding, seek proper training, perform regular maintenance, and stay visible. By following these secrets to success, you'll enhance your riding experience while keeping safety at the forefront. Ride safe, share this video with fellow riders, and we'll see you on the road.